See, let's start doing a map with the DIVA-GIS. Suppose you have to download country borders from special data. It is freely available. So I downloaded from this. You can do that. And then I have this file here. In that file, there will be four types of files. This first file, which is very important, is this. It opens in OpenOffice. If you don't have, you should download it. OpenOffice.org, latest file. So what you can do, you can open this file and see. Open the file. See, it will give area, population, region, sub-region, latitude, longitude. So this is all information is there, and this is about countries. So what you have to do is, if you have data on different indicators, say income, or say labor force participation, or any other indicators, any other variable, just fill it according to the country name here. So that information should be here. You can edit this. You can say, suppose per capita income. So you can name it like that. So variable name is per capita income. So fill it now. Since we don't have, so we are deleting this. We don't want to So what we can do is, we'll make the, right now we have a variable here that is population 2005. So we'll make or we will make for the area, map for the area first. So what if you have any other data here, and whichever data you want, just put this in those columns according to the country. Now this you should keep in mind, and there is a shape file which we will try to open with DIVA-GIS. So DIVA-GIS you have to install. It's also from the same website. So here it's very simple. What you do is, go to this plus sign, add layer. I will go, file is in desktop, this particular file. So there is one shape file. You just click it and open. It's taking some time. Okay, this is our world map, and these are different countries. So what we can do is, now just click here. Okay, we have this. This is the particular shape file that we are showing it now. So click on this. This will show you, say, different classes here. Go to the classes. Now, as I have shown you earlier file, we had the these variables will come: area, population, region, sub-region, longitude, latitude. So whichever you want to make. Suppose now we are interested in the population. So just click population. There will be legends. So you can reset legends. You can make it how much ever you want. You want to make 10 legends, 5, 15, 12. So there is a range. Suppose we give 5, or maybe we give, for simplicity, we just give 3 as it is. So if you want to give 4, suppose, do here recent legend, it come 4, and then you can change it also. You can change according to your own. Suppose you want to put it 21 or something. So it will start from there, and then and go on. It is up to you what range you want to keep. You can edit it here. So you have to have intervals. So that is this. And then how you recognize this is, this particular those rectangular boxes here. You have to click that, and then it shows what color you want to give. Suppose we give solid fill, keep this color, you can change it. You can customize color and give different colors. Suppose for example now we would want to keep it just, you know, say, okay, or maybe this color, suppose a greenish, okay, for this particular legend. And then go to the second one, say again solid fill. You can not make a solid fill and have any other colors that you want. See, suppose this will be orange, then go to, suppose we keep this blue color. It's up to you, you can keep any colors you want. Suppose blue color, so you keep it black. Okay, now you apply it. See, this is our, okay, this is the black is the population range, which is the highest population range, the last column. Green ones are the smaller ones. Okay, so this is your range. Now go back, here is data and design, go to design and then say okay to get the map here. What you can do is, now it's very important what is the range and the scale that we have kept. So first here give this, it will give you legend. Okay, legend you want, where do you want the legend? Suppose you have to click it here, it gives the legend. So what we kept, you can change this title here, bottom name, because the file name you have to change, so that will come. That is one. And second thing, you want to give scale. Scale we want to give kilometers, which is very important for this. Suppose we keep under this. Now if it doesn't work, you can go back and you want to keep 4 intervals. You can change this, whichever intervals you want to keep. Suppose say, okay, 400 kilometers. Okay. Then go to direction, which is, say this is north direction, and you want to put text, that is title. You could put it, put the title here, say population. World population, because this is about population, so you want to put it here. Okay, so wherever you want to click, you can click, and then you can change that text itself. So these are different colors which you don't require right now. And then here this is your map, and now go to copy this to clipboard. You want to put in the Word file this map I had already made, so copy paste. This is your world map. It's exactly there. If you want to crop it here, you can do that, and say want to cover those edges, and but here it's not required, maybe from the lower side. So crop it. That's it. You can save the file. That's it for now.